Okay everyone, welcome back to part 4 of the How to Make a Slot Car series tutorial, and today we'll be covering how to add lights to your custom slot car. So the first thing you need to do is get the system that I'm gonna link down below. It's called Epic Lights V4. Shout out to Many for making this. And then what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go into the model, just delete this, and get this Epic Lights underscore V4. Put it into your slot car, then into a chassis tune, and then into plugins right there. So leave into plugins, and that's it for the first part. And then before positioning these lights, what you need to do is separate all your light parts, and that's what I did with my E36. So first we're gonna get these lights, we're gonna position them here. So we get the position of this, and we paste it into the position of that, and that should already give us a head start. And let's just, so that's position now. Now just go into headlights first. So you have two types of headlights, the high and the low. For me, I have the high ones, which are these ones right here, and then I have the low ones. So first we're gonna start with the high. So just first position all of them. So pick on headlights and just make them up. So just make sure to make the height good, and then that should be it for this thing. And then just position the first one. Make sure that your arrow is a little bit far away from your glass or light, should I say? And yeah, that's part one. So just position it like that. First I'm gonna position this left one. That should be good enough. And then I'm gonna position this one right here. Make sure they're all on the same height so they don't get broken in the script. Yeah, that should be good. And then we're gonna do the low ones. So I'll get the lows like this. First we're gonna do this one, so there. Just position it like that. And then you can get the other low one, which is here, the L, and then you just position it like that. And then that's it for the headlights. And now we're going to be going into, so when you position those, that's it. Now we're going to be going into the back one, so the tail lights right here and the reverse lights. So for the tail lights, there are two parts. They're the brake and the rear. Both of them are the same thing, so you just need to do the brake, and then I'll show you what to do with the rear. So you got the brake, it's only these two parts right here. So you got the brake, just position them correctly. Make sure to make them a little far away from your model right here so it doesn't get broken. So if you have one like this, the E36, just make sure it's in the middle, on this line right here. So just position it like this, and then position it in the middle. You don't have to make it a lot precise, but yeah, I just prefer to not make it a lot precise, as it just makes the light like that. So you do that. Yeah, that should be good for now. And then you can take so when you're done with the brakes, you just go into the rear, you copy the places. So L for this one, it's on the right, so you get the position, you find the right one, and then it's like that. So it should be that, and that should be on the same place. And then you do the same thing with the other L, and just put into that. And then now if you press on brake in the rear, it should make no difference, just this arrow moving on the pivot. And then now what we're gonna do is fog lights in front here. If you do have fog lights on your car, then just position them like we did, but if you do not, like most cars, just rotate it like this and put it into your car body. That should be fine. And then so we're done with the rear lights, we're done with the headlights, the fog. We're gonna go into the reverse lights, which are the lights. You can go on Google and Google which one, but for me on the A36, these are the indicators and these are the reverse lights. So we're gonna go like this. Here's the reverse light. You can just duplicate this, so I'll duplicate this. I'll just make it a little bit far away, so we'll do this. Make sure it's L and L, the same name. So like the reverse, and then you go up here. So you position it the same as it is, like that. Not same as this, but yeah, I prefer that. So just position it to the right, that should be fine. So just like this, or reverse, L1, make it in the middle, that should be fine, then you have L, so you like that. And then that should be good for the reverse lights. And now all we have left is the indicators. It's not very hard, but yeah. So this car doesn't really have like side indicators, so first we're just gonna go to the left and then there's the right. So there's the left indicators and there's the right. We'll just go into the side and the side. I'm gonna flip this side, Control R 2 times, and this one Control R 2 times. We're gonna get the side and side. We're gonna put it a little bit down. Put it into the body as we did with the fog lights. So this right there, and then you got the side, the other one, so right here, and then you just put it inside, and that should be with the side. Now we're gonna do the front. So here is the front ones for me. So I just do this front and front, that, and then just try to zoom as much as you can. This one should have a space as you do. So just do that. And this one doesn't be less, but yeah, I'll just play enough now. Like this, before, that should be okay, and then I'll get this one. I'll just do it now, I'll position it on the circle. Okay, that should be alright. Now that we're done with the front, let's go to the rear ones. So rear and rear, these are the ones for me. So I'll just go into rear and rear, do that. Just position this first, so the height, and then just make it a little bit front. Doesn't touch the glass, that's not square thing. And just do that, yeah, that should be fine. And then got this one, so just put it away. Sorry for that, but we'll just do it. So that should be basically, you should have all your lights out. Now what we're gonna do is a little hard part. So the hard part is, so what you're gonna need to do is just take this lights, put it into the body. So here, put it into the body, and then you have your light parts. So make sure they're organized, and just go into your lights. So you have FL indicators. Just make sure to name them so it's easier for you to do them. So first we're gonna do the headlights, the high. So I have front headlights. These are the high, so just Control D. Make sure you duplicate them yourself. So only, so name this LM. Make sure it's only LM. And then if you have only one of these as like your light, so just duplicate this one, make it LM2. So now you have this as your high, and then just take your low and duplicate it. So headlights low, I'll duplicate this, I'll put it into low, and then I'll name this LN. Then I'll duplicate that one more time and I'll have LN. Now we should be done with the headlights. And what we're gonna do now is the brakes. So the brakes are right here. Let's just get the brakes right here. So they're rear cars, rear taillights. So I'll do Control D, and then I'll put it into brake. So right there, and then I'll name it LN, and then I'll duplicate this again. So LN 2 times, and then you're gonna duplicate these two LNs and you're gonna put them into rear. So rear and brake should always be the same, so brake and rear should literally be the same thing, it's only the position. And then the fog lights, just leave it, you don't need it. Or now I'm gonna do the reverse, so you have the reverse lights, so just do Control D, and then get it into reverse right here, so reverse, and then name this LN. Okay, so we're just gonna get this again, because I don't know what happened, so I'll just duplicate this. Whoa, where did it go? Oh, let's just duplicate this. Let's see if it's already duplicated, okay. Put it into reverse, we'll name this LN, and then do the same thing, so LN once more. Now you should have your reverse, your rear, your brake, your fogs, your headlights done. Now all we gotta do is the indicators. So we're just gonna do this way. So we're gonna put left, left indicators and right indicators, line up the front indicators, so FL, FR, Control D, to split these onto the front. Now, I'm gonna find which one's the left and right. So the left is this one, so we're gonna do LM like that. I'm gonna put this one into front, because this is the right one, this is right, and that's left. Now we have to use the rear. So rear is like this, we have it right there. So this RL or look at these, and then put it into rear. So this is the RL, so it should be left. Yes, it is. So we'll make this LN. I'm gonna take this one into the other rear, we'll name this one LN also, and then that should basically be it. Now, if you do not have a side, then just don't do it. But if you do, then just put it like that, and make sure to like make it appropriate to its left side and right side. And that's basically it for the lighting. All you gotta do now is just put these light parts into your body, so the screws, then these here, and then just make sure to anchor all. So anchor everything right here, anchor all, and now you should be done. Okay, now that we're in game, let's go test it. So right here, just enter your car. Now what you gotta do is just swap real quick. Volume, just press H, and it should automatically work. You should also see these ones lighting up. They do light up, but it's from a certain perspective. So H, that, and then it completely works. If you also move back, you should see that your reverse lights and your lights work with that. Now that's how it works, and now we're gonna test the indicators, so all of them work. And then you have the left, and then the right. I like the system because it already gives you the sounds and everything, so it's basically perfect. And that was it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!